every person listening to me right now know how to make more money, know how to do better, but you just won't do it. You know exactly what to do. You know exactly what to do to make more money, but you just won't do it because you're lazy and you don't believe. You know if you applied yourself more, you know if you made yourself more valuable, learned new skills, and applied those skills in real life, you would make more money. You know this, I know this, and everybody who listens to this knows this. But what's the reason you don't do it? What's the reason? Give me one. And you got to be aware. You got to be aware of opportunities. People always talking about I'm waiting on the right opportunity. I'm waiting on the right person. I'm waiting on it. Bro, you are surrounded by opportunities. Sis, you are surrounded by opportunities everywhere you go. It's just that you're not aware that you are surrounded by opportunities. Everywhere you go, every person you meet is a potential opportunity. But what you do, you don't say anything. You don't ask for help. You don't ask for knowledge about money. You don't network, and you expect to make more money. People equals money. The more people you know, the more money you will make, and the more opportunities that you will have to make money. So you being antisocial, I don't mess with them, no new friends, man, dismantle that way of thinking. Dismantle that belief system, no new friends. If you don't make new friends, you ain't gonna get no new money. If you ain't around them same people, you're gonna be stuck making the same money. You wonder why you're in the same place for the last 10 years? Because you're around the same people. You haven't learned any new skills, and you haven't applied any of the new skills you've learned. You ain't learned nothing in the last 10 years, but you calling and thinking you finna get out this rut. You think you finna get out this circle. I hope you hit the lottery. Good luck with that. You got to do new things. You got to learn new things. You got to apply the knowledge to real life. You can read all the books you want to, but if you don't apply the knowledge, it does you no means. And people are like, man, I'm saving money. Saving money for what? You want to invest money. Yeah, you want to save to a certain point, but you want to invest money. You got to make money work for you. Putting the money under your mattress like your granddaddy, man, that's out. It's 2022. Putting it in a shoebox like a dope boy, that's out, man. You got to invest money. You got to make money work for you. Money sitting under your mattress, money sitting in a shoebox is not working for you. You have to turn money into your slave. The initial money you make, you got to make it work for you. And once that money work for you, once they have kids, you got to make that money and his kids work. And once that money and his kids working for you, and they have kids, you got to make that money, his kids, and his grandkids work for you. You're going to be 4 generations down before you start spending the money that you earn. That's how you become rich. That's how you stay wealthy. That's how you stay on the game. And you say, oh, okay, Mr. D-Rich, how you do that? All right, here's an example. For years, when I got my income tax check, or Black got her income tax check, we bought Jordans, we went out to eat. I bought some rims for my Chevy. I'm riding clean. But guess what? I've been right back in the same circle, waiting on the income tax check again the following year, and I did this circle year after year after year after year. But one year I got smart. I surrounded myself with some business-minded people. I surrounded myself with people that knew about money, and I said, hey, I'm gonna take a leap. We invested in a t-shirt machine. We bought the t-shirt machine. That's first generation money. We started making shirts. The money we made off shirts, we bought a vinyl machine. Boom, that money had kids, the vinyl machine. The vinyl machine started making money, and the t-shirt machine was still making money. The vinyl machine and the t-shirt machine combined helped me buy the sewing machine. Boom, there go the grandkids. The t-shirt machine, the vinyl machine, the sewing machine, 3rd generation. I got 3 generations of money off one initial investment, and I'm still making money off of it today, 15 years later. That's how you make money. That's how you stay wealthy, and that's how you stay in front of the game. You got to invest your money in assets. Me saving up a money, what I'm gonna save up to $1 billion? I stay invested. That way I'm always reaching, always working to get some more money. If you just let your money sit up in the bank, you're gonna get comfortable. We all human. If I got a certain amount of money in the bank and my bill paid, I'm chilling. But if that money invested, it's gone somewhere and it's invested, I gotta get some more money. You get some more money, invest in something else. Invest in another small business. You find you something else to go with that money, you wanna invest that money in something else where that money will work for you while you are sleeping. Why are you on vacation? Why are you spending time with your son? or your wife or your family on Christmas, on New Year's, you chilling, but that money is still rolling.